Yufuin, Onsen hot springs town that conjures up an image of a stroll around town with a lot of interesting, cool, hip, artistic shops, some romantic areas, Lake Kinrinko, which is quite a photograph spot, although in my opinion it's a little bit overrated. Anyways, it's one of the most incredible places that produces hot springs. After Beppu, I believe Yufuin is number 2 in Japan in terms of the volume of hot springs that it produces. So over here, these are 2 Sky Pavilion, they call them, which are standalone villas separate from the main Enowa Yufuin area. So this is Hilltop Sky Pavilion, Mount Yufu Sunrise View Premium Suite. It might be too dark to see. This one is Hilltop Sky Pavilion, Sunset City View and Premium Suite. So they're the same layout. These are 2 of the kind, same price. This one has a view of the mountains. This one you have some of the mountain, but it's mainly the valley with the Yufuin town down below, which is very nice, which is why we chose this one. But again, people have different tastes. Anyway, so this is the Sky Pavilion, and these are the 2 top room categories at Enowa Yufuin, a property that opened in 2013. It has a proper closet, something that a lot of traditional ryokans don't often have. You can see there's multiple bathrobes, there's coats, things like that. Loungewear in the drawers. So we come around here, and then we're going to check out the main living quarters. And this is what it is. The sun is a little bit still harsh, kind of. It'll go down eventually, and then we'll have good sunset view. But anyways, this is the main living area. It is a studio style or junior suite style. So you have the bed and the living area, which is not segregated. Some people like it for more the open air plan, the airiness of it. Anyway, so this is, let's look back here. There's a desk, a long desk, and then there's 2 beds. Rather large ones. Again, this is newly opened in about a year and a half ago, so June of 2013. One of the calling cards is that it's not in the middle of town, but a little bit slightly up a hill with commanding views of Yufuin as well as the mountains. So anyways, let me show you another angle of it. You can see that the ceilings are vaulted. And then so you have, it's cool how they have a kind of a plant coming out of a rock here in the middle of the room. It's living and breathing. And then you have the couch. You have the flat screen TV over there. By now, I guess you don't even have to say flat screen. All new TVs are effectively that. A bar, and a sink. And then you have the mini bar. I don't know what they actually have in here. Ooh, they have Enowa ice cream. And then you have complimentary beverages, juice, lager, things like that. And then I'm sure they have tea bags. Yep, coffee pods. won't go into details on that. But anyway, so this is, you can see that if you're going to take a trip across Japan and you want to stay at kind of smaller luxury properties, but not like a big hotel, then you might want to, but you don't want the traditional Japanese ryokan, or you want to break it up, then this is actually a pretty nice option right now, because it's kind of Western. And the food, by the way, is by Tashi, I forgot his last name, sorry, Gamtsu, I think. He's originally from Tibet, but learned under the tutelage of, by working at Kikunoi Honten, the famous Kyoto restaurant, as well as a 2-star Michelin restaurant in New York. I don't remember exactly the name of it offhand. Easy to look up. Anyway, so you have the shower. And then let's see what the view is all about. Indoor tub. Heated floors, by the way. It's nice and toasty. Let's go outside. It's supposed to be really nice during sunset. So before showing you all of the view, this mountain here, it's kind of hard from this angle. So you see that up there, that is Mount Yufu, or Yufu Dake. You see there's a dust of snow there. Up top, we are in, this is December 23rd. So you can see it, but not from, not unless you go out to the balcony and kind of twist your neck. So not the best time to show the view because of the sun, the harsh sun, kind of right over there. But oh, so this is the valley, or this is some of the rest of the property, I think. Anyway, so you can see this is Yufuin town. Maybe I'll try to take another clip when the lighting is better for that. So this is a pool and a bath. And so the bath, let's come around here. Again, it's new, so it's modern and stylish. If that's what you're after, then this fits the bill. So this part is actually a onsen, so hot springs bath. It is straight from the source, constantly flowing, never recirculated. An interesting thing about this is that you see that the hot springs actually flows into the pool, and the pool, making the pool quite lukewarm, actually kind of warm, not scalding hot. So you can actually hang out even in the winter and maybe, jump between here and there. Kind of like how this some Nordic people do, where they jump from the sauna into back and forth between the sauna and an ice cold lake, I guess. Anyway, so you can, let's give another angle here. Pretty cool, right? So it's different. It's not, the view is not of like a garden or anything like that. It is of the valley, the town, and mountains beyond, with a pool and onsen. So this place is not cheap, but the food, oh, I forgot to mention, so the chef, Tashi Gamtsu, this is farm to table cuisine, so it's not traditional Japanese kaiseki fare. So again, if you want to break up your the type of property that you're staying in, as well as the cuisine, then this might fit the bill. So we look forward to the experience, and we have high expectations. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. Enowa Yufuin, Hilltop Sky Suite, I believe that's the name.